Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you. How are you? Hope you all are doing very well. Today we'll do the new chapter, that is chapter 11, comparison of adjectives. But before that, I must remind you to send the notes of sequence of tenses. You are yet to send. Please send the notes quickly. So here, comparison of adjectives, as the name suggests, comparison. So here of course you are comparing quality. You are comparing certain quality which two or sometimes more items or persons or things have. So first is there positive degree. Okay, so there actually persons or things have equal quantity of quality, that is positive degree or first form of an adjective. See here, no other metal is as useful as iron. And when you use positive degree, it means when two items or things or persons have equal quantity of quality. Okay? Then it will be between two ases. You can see here. Useful. This first form is positive degree and it lies between two ases. So here, no other metal is as useful as iron. Iron is. Here full is to write. It will be iron is. But here is hidden. But actually if you extend it will be, actually it is iron is. Okay, whether it is after than, whether it is as, there is actually a clause. Okay, and the verb is hidden here. So you cannot write actually he is as intelligent as me. It will be wrong. He is as intelligent as I, because here full form is there. I am. M is hidden. He is better than me. You cannot say. This is grammatically wrong. He is better than I am. Or if you hide actually, if you hide am, then it will be I. Okay. Now, when you use comparative degree, this is second form of the adjective, and there one item or person, it may be person or thing you are comparing, has higher degree of the quality. Okay, means one has more quality than what is specified. Okay, and in comparative degree you have to be careful that number of items are always 2. If you are comparing more than 2, then don't use comparative degree. Okay? Now see here, iron is more useful. So here this is comparative degree. So it has taken more. Iron is more useful. Now in comparative degree you are using than. And if you are using than, you have to use a word other. Be careful. If you are using the word than, you have to use other in comparative degree. So, iron is more useful than any other metal. But meaning is same. Okay, meaning doesn't change. Only form changes. Now one more there. See, there in this group there are only two items, two circles. And if you are comparing, if you are taking out one and you are comparing it with the rest in the group, logically it's by rule it should take superlative degree, but it will not take superlative degree because there are only two items in the group, so it will take only comparative degree. See? A is larger of the two circles. You cannot say A is the largest circles. Okay? Why? Because there are only two items. If you are taking out A, only one item B is left. Now let's learn few words. So they are, although they are in comparative degree, although they are being used in comparative degree, but they don't take than. They always take two. So what are those words? Generally the words which end with OR, and superior, inferior, junior, senior, and the word prior. He arrived here prior, then you cannot, then I did, you cannot say. He arrived here prior to I did or I, right? To me you cannot use. I have told you already. Okay? He is inferior to I am. Okay? He is senior to me. Or better is that he is senior to I am. Okay? Now, here, the superlative degree. In superlative degree, things or persons have the highest degree of the mentioned quality. And it generally takes the. Okay? Superlative degree of the adjective takes the before that. Okay? See here. Iron is the most useful. Iron is the most useful of all the metals. Okay? You cannot say of all other metals. Why? Because other you use when we are using comparative means after then we are using other. Here, other is not possible. Okay. Now see here. See, if you in superlative degree also, if you find there are three, generally in a group, see here. See here. See. See here. So here you can find in the group A has the highest degree of the quality. Okay? So A is the largest circle in the group. But if there are only two in the group, then you cannot use superlative degree. You have to use comparative degree. A is larger of the two circles. But if there are more than two items in the group, and if you are taking out one and comparing to others, then the superlative degree. A is the largest circle in the group. Now, see in the third case. Be careful. See in the third case. You can see A is as large as B. Okay? Means another circle is, another item is, another item has, okay, as equal quality as any other item or the item which you are comparing. So see here. So in this case you will say A is one of the largest circles in the group. A is not the largest circle. Okay, which there is other circle. There is other circle who is as large as A is. See here. In this case, you have to use the phrase one of, and after one of, always you are using plural forms. After one of, always we use plural form. One of my friends, one of my enemies, one of my classes, one of my teachers. Okay? So here A is one of the largest circles in the group. And here this also can be written in comparative degree. Okay? So very few circles, it can be written. See here. Very few circles in the group are as large as A is, or A. Okay. See here we have used positive degree. Very few are there, but there are very few. It can be used in comparative also. It can be used in comparative also. How? A is larger than most of, or most also right, most other circles. See, A is larger than most other circles in the group. Here you may use many also. A is larger than many other circles in the group. This is also correct. Okay. In this way, we have completed comparison objectives, and in your examination, only you are to write direct sentences. Okay, without changing meaning. If one form, if a sentence has been given, comparison has been given with one form, then another form you have to use. Because you are only allowed to change form but not the meaning. So here we have used different forms here, but meaning is same. You can see. Okay. Okay, so that's all for today. Happy learning. Thank you.